video, and today I'm gonna be showing you my fireworks that I had bought for the 4th of July. Today we have a special guest. It's the Shogun himself. Man, just go ahead and get to the video so we can get this over with, man. Come on, man. Say something.
Subscribe.
Spell it.
SKATZ.
Bang. Oh, alright. So go subscribe to Scats. It's the Shogun person. It looks like he's like a Kenshi samurai. That's the logo. And go subscribe to and go subscribe to Travis Jennings too. And it used to be Bino's, but that's used to be his profile picture, but now it's like a skeleton. Anyway, today I'm gonna be showing you my fireworks. Anyway. 3, 2, 1.
Are you doing this again? Again, bro? Bro, if you don't stop doing this, you still going.
Look at that, bro. Bro. Hold on.
Why am I saying bro so many times? Like, get to the video.
We got these, bro. Don't even know. We got the cherry bombs, bro. Got the George Washington. You see the man? Got Midnight Delight, blue stars with reports. Got rockets right here. We got like a cherry bomb right here. Not a cherry bomb, but like those things you throw on the ground and they pop. But we got like a lot of these. Like a lot of these fireworks right here. We got these. I don't know what those are. Got sparklers. A lot of them. And we got more cherry bombs. I mean, more poppers, bro. Let's go. And we got bottle rockets, bro.
Legit put in the comments how many times I said bro during this video.
Anyway. Warning that this assortment contains items that may be hazardous and misused. Use outdoors only. Use only under clothes. Adult supervision important. Read caution and instructions on each item. No. I'ma just shoot the fireworks inside the house. It won't do anything.
I was just kidding. Never shoot fireworks inside the house.
Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and go subscribe to Scats, SKATZ. Why you look so tired? Dude, look like you got mummified.
I'm tired of editing.
Oh, well, yeah, you know what it is. I may be changing my logo too. So, peace. I got to show y'all my additional fireworks that I bought yesterday, as well as the big box that I just showed y'all. So give me a second. I'm so dusty. Hold on. Yes, sir. Hold on. M80s. Hold on. We got Dixie Pops. We got these right here. Cherry bombs, bro. All that stuff. And we got that box. But anyway. Y'all, the reason I was coughing during my stuff is because, like, you know how YouTube is. They'll take anything down.